What's the meaning of corroboration? Corroboration. Corroboration.
Corroboration. Corroboration. Corroboration refers to the act of supporting or confirming a statement, theory, or finding with additional evidence or testimony. It essentially involves validating or verifying the accuracy or truthfulness of a claim or assertion. Corroborating evidence can come in the form of witness testimony, physical data, or other types of documentation that lend support to a particular conclusion. The process of corroboration is important in many fields, including law, science, and journalism, as it helps establish the credibility and reliability of information provided. Ultimately, corroboration serves as a means to build confidence in the truthfulness of a particular claim.